Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way and cheapest way I found over the years to clean a dirty chain. I'm not a big fan of fancy and specific cleaning product for bikes. What I'm using is only dish soap, a brush, and a chain scrubber. So what I'm doing is filling up the chain scrubber to the filling line. And you can fill it up with only dish soap, no water, no anything. And this is gonna destroy the grease on your chain. After filling the chain scrubber with the dish soap, you put it there, you close it off, and this is where the magic is gonna happen. So you're gonna turn the pedal backward like this, and you just keep going like this. The trick is I'm gonna use my hose like this. And keep turning the wheel. Put some water in. The water coming off is already like getting super black, so you know, like you're removing a lot of stuff. So it's so satisfying, like, because you don't have to like remove the chain or anything. I really found this technique to, like, you can go super fast. I can do like 3 or 4 bikes in a row, and if the dish soap is like getting too dirty here, just remove it and start over. And again, you're gonna see the water coming out super dirty here. I still see some black like grease on the chain, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. So the chain now is pretty clean, so I'm gonna remove the chain scrubber. The nasty stuff is in there. It's crazy, like everything is like super black and super gross, but you know you did a good job. So if it's super black in the bottom, you did a good job. And the chain here is like 5,000% like cleaner here, so that's good. Now I'm gonna just put some water here just to clean it off like this. If you don't have a chain scrubber, don't panic. You can use a brush like this. When I'm out in the field, I just use this brush with this soap I found in grocery store, and I can do the same process, just brushing it off, but it just takes much more time. So I'm gonna use this brush to finish it off and clean the whole drivetrain and make sure there's not a lot of debris on the chainring and on the cassette in the back. I just put dish soap like this everywhere, and this is what I love about this technique is it's not expensive. You can use any dish soap. You can put it anywhere because it's so cheap, so you're not feeling bad like at 20 bucks like cleaning stuff from the bike shop. So dish soap works super well like this. You can scrub the derailleur everywhere. You remove everything that is dirty like this, and you can turn the chain backward like this and keep putting some dish soap like this. You take the hose and you clean. For the chainring, you can put some dish soap onto the brush like this, and you brush everything that you see some dirty black stuff. And why are we doing this? Like, a dirty chain is gonna affect your shifting performance. It's gonna shift like super poorly. A dirty chain is gonna use prematurely like your whole system, so it's gonna cost you money. It's just gross if you touch it with your hands. And it's just like, I love a bike that doesn't make any sound. So for me, when I listen to my friend's bike and I listen to like all kinds of noise because of the chain, it just drives me crazy. So I love doing this. It's like kind of relaxing, you know? So you put some dish soap everywhere like this. And again, you clean it off with water, and that's it. Super clean. At the end, you can put the hose like this and just turn the pedal backward. And when you don't see any bubble coming out, it's because there's no more soap anywhere. You have done a good job. At the end, when you think you can't remove any more of the debris and the grease, you just take a cloth or something like this, and it's really important to get the chain dry the quickest possible, because you don't want any rust, because there's nothing protecting the chain now. So you want it to be like as dry as possible, and you can remove a bit more of the dirtiness on the chain while doing this. Last thing you're gonna need to do is to put, look at this, it's super clean. So the last thing you have to do is to put some lube on the chain. It's gonna protect the chain from rusting, and it's gonna make everything super smooth. I just apply it like this, a good amount. You remove the excess with a cloth like this, and you're done. Hope you liked the video today, guys. It's the first of a series of video dedicated to mechanic on a bike. I want to create this series of video to help you people with everything that I know on a bike. I've been riding my whole life for 25 years. And my first job was at 14 years old, was a bike mechanic in a bike shop. I want to show people how to do things, because for me, it brought me so much joy into my life to get my hands dirty and showing me that I can do it. And this is one of the things I want to show to my kids. Get your hands dirty. And why? Because it brings me so much satisfaction and joy, knowing that when I'm out there on my bike, I can repair my bike, I can clean it, I can make it better, I can remove the little sound in the background, and for me, that brings me a lot of joy. So, hope you like the video, and see you out there. And at the end of the videos now, I'm just gonna take my bike and just go ride. Go out of YouTube, take your bike, and just go. That's what I'm gonna do. See you guys, have a nice day.